Researching new equipment and finding similar printers as the mainstream ones offered through your local dealers at substantially lower prices often piques the interest and begs the question, why not buy one? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike Goodwin and today we're diving into the topic of buying equipment directly from manufacturers in China. We'll explore the pros and cons of this approach to help you make an informed decision as well as some other things you should take into consideration. Let's get started. First, let's discuss why the pricing is so different between buying direct or buying through your dealer. It may be an important one in your decision-making process and can be summed up with the following three reasons. All the logistics, freight, and other expenses to get the equipment from the manufacturer into the country are already taken care of. Dealers are responsible for sales and customer service support before the sale and the cost of technicians and customer service supporting the device after the sale, and a carrying cost of repair and warranty parts, maintenance parts, and supplies to support the equipment and customers. First off, the pros. Cost effectiveness. One of the biggest advantages of purchasing directly from manufacturers in China is the cost savings. These printers can be significantly cheaper than their counterparts sold through dealers or distributors in other countries. This cost effectiveness allows businesses, especially startups and small to medium enterprises, to access more advanced printing technology without breaking the bank. More options. Buying directly from the source may allow you the opportunity to afford more options like a wider print width, additional ink options for larger color gamut, or faster print speeds. All of these options can give you a competitive edge or improve other areas of your business. Leading tech. Chinese manufacturers often lead in adopting new technologies, giving buyers access to the latest advancements in print technologies. Chinese manufacturers have access to a wide array of components and materials thanks to the country's extensive manufacturing ecosystem. This allows for rapid prototyping and testing, enabling these companies to quickly bring new products to market faster than competitors in other countries might be able to. Now for the cons. Quality. One of the main concerns when buying directly from manufacturers in China is the question of quality. While many manufacturers produce top-notch equipment, variations in quality control can be an issue. It's crucial to conduct thorough research or seek out reviews. Warranty and support. Warranty and after-sales support can be significantly more challenging to navigate when dealing with international manufacturers. Language barriers, time zone differences, and the logistics of shipping parts or returning a printer for service can complicate matters. It's important to clearly understand the warranty and support terms before making a purchase. The logistics of shipping a large, heavy printer from China can be daunting. You'll need to consider shipping costs, import duties, and any regulatory compliance issues. These factors can add to the total cost and complexity of your purchase. Additionally, the risk of damage during transit is something to consider, along with the lead time from purchase to delivery. Tips for success. If you decide to go ahead with purchasing a printer directly from a manufacturer in China, here are a few tips to help ensure a smooth process. Conduct thorough research and due diligence on the manufacturer. Ask the manufacturer if there are any other companies that have purchased their products that you can contact. Request samples and detailed product specifications. Consider using an import agent or service to help navigate the shipping and customs process. Ask about supplies and whether they are printer specific and what the typical lead time is so you can plan how much inventory you will need on your shelf and when to reorder. Clearly understand the warranty and support terms and how warranty parts are exchanged as well as the lead times. Are there parts that the manufacturer recommends you have on hand for quick replacement and minimal downtime? Depending on how it ships to your business, make sure you have a plan to be able to get it off the truck and into your shop. In conclusion, buying printers directly from manufacturers in China offers both significant advantages and notable challenges. The potential for cost savings and customization must be weighed against the concerns over quality, after-sales support, and the logistics of international shipping. With careful planning and research, however, purchasing directly from China can be a viable option for many businesses looking to expand their printing capabilities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more meaningful insight content.